In this video you will find the top 3 places to get music for your next YouTube video. First of all, let's start with 5 reasons why you need music in a video. Whenever you use music in a video, it helps to communicate your message. Second, music fills the gaps. Whenever you create a video, you probably have an intro, you have a main part, you have an outro, and music helps to connect these parts. Third, music creates a certain vibe around your topic. And if you pick the right music, it can resonate with your audience in a very, very positive way. So you have to keep that in mind when choosing the music. Fourth, it adds to your overall production value. You just have to ask yourself the question, have you ever seen a Hollywood movie without music? Probably no. So let's go on to the fifth. It can make people watch or close your video. Like, this is no joke. Music connects people, music connects emotions, and you can use this to your benefits. We will take a look on the top 3 free music sites where you can get music, the perfect music actually, for your next video on YouTube without receiving a copyright claim, without receiving a copyright strike, or without getting your channel demonetized entirely. The first site we are going to discuss will be YouTube's audio library, and to find it you just go YouTube audio library and just head over to YouTube audio library. You can already see this is free music. You have sound effects, you have a selection of starred where you can stare your favorites with the star right here, and you have them handy whenever you need them, or if you want to use the same music over and over again, for example for your intro or your outro, you can then stare them and have them accessible whenever you need them. Press that, you can select a genre or a mood. I love hip-hop, so I could go to genre, select hip-hop or rap over here, press apply, and all of a sudden everything that is listed down below will be from the hip-hop genre. Let's just play one just for the thrill of it. Let's go with this one. I don't know this, so we will see how this goes. Okay, this one is fire, but depending on what you're trying to achieve, you might want to go for something without vocals. Let's see if this has vocals in it or if it just was a sample in the beginning. Now, okay, it was just a sample in the beginning, so this one might be dope for you. Maybe you want to set a darker mood, so let's go with this one. Oh, this is a fire beat too, I can already feel it. Might not be the best for an encouraging video, but you have to set the tone, of course, for yourself. Yeah, the beat is fire. If you are searching for a certain mood, just hit the tab over here, select mood, and then just go for something like bright, or inspirational would be something like encouraging. Let's hit the inspirational, genre, mood, selection. So, okay, that sounds great. Let's go with the guitar house. Oh, okay, this is actually house music maybe with guitars. I don't know about that. Let's go with another one. Koto-san, maybe. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, as you see, there are jams in it, and there are sort of so-la-la examples in it, because to me Koto-san doesn't really sound inspirational, more like dramatic, especially in the beginning. You can hear something like raindrops or like a really moody vibe. Okay, there's some uplifting instruments in it. Okay, a windy kind of vocal sample. You could tag this as inspirational. But yeah, as you see, you have to crawl, you have to search for the right song, pick whatever fits your needs basically. As you see, you can also use sound effects. Whenever you do videos, you can add something like a sound design. I don't want to make this too long, so let's just get to the next one. And the next one will be SoundCloud. So if you're guys in your teens, you probably know this. It is a super cool streaming platform with all sorts of even really good artists or artists that haven't gone major yet, but maybe in the future. A lot of artists popped out of SoundCloud. It basically created a whole genre of music, and if you want to find music here, you just type in the search background music for videos. There's already the first suggestion, just hit enter. For example, the first one with the tree, this is actually from Germany, which is something you would not see that often. Alexander M. Great. Awesome. So here the first playlist, you can already see something. Let's just hit inspiring aesthetic. You might find better quality stuff on SoundCloud than you would find in the YouTube audio library, but on the other hand, it depends on what you're trying to achieve. If you just try to find something fast and try to have it native accessible in YouTube, then go for the YouTube sound library. If you're willing to do a little bit more work, if you're willing to put in the effort to research on SoundCloud, you might be better set. Let's go peaceful harmony. This meditation, ambient, relaxed, calm, yoga, peaceful. So if you would have a yoga channel, this would be the perfect fit for you. If you're into meditation, want to reach an audience that is searching for calmness in a very loud environment, in a very loud world, this would be your jam. You just go to this playlist and you have flutes. Let's go with the flute meditation. Yeah, and as you can hear, this is very high quality. I will link the background music for videos channel on SoundCloud in the description down below, so make sure to check it out. Give these people some love. They're doing amazing work out there, and yeah, this is high quality. This is something you could probably find on Spotify too, just with the added benefit of using it in your video if you want to. So this is great. Okay, let's head over to the last suggestion. Go to YouTube, search for NCS music. On the videos you have all sorts of different music choices. There it is. It is just your 2013 GA type of video sound. Or Jeff Seed or people like this use these sounds all over the place to make the gym videos. People like Sis, and shout out to Friesma. This guy uses these or used these sounds too. They were awesome, they're encouraging, they are uplifting, they have a drive to them, they are trendy. It is just EDM. So nice, super nice production quality. And for what you have to keep in mind is there is a tag in the show notes, in the description of the YouTube video, here, right over here. When you're using this track, we simply ask that you put this in your description. Tag the artist, because these people put in a lot of work to make these tracks. As you can hear, this is not something that was just slammed together in a minute. There's a lot that goes into it, and yeah, make sure to give credential where credentials are due. Copy the whole thing somewhere in your description and you are safe. Everyone benefits and you have great music and hadn't had to pay a cent for it. I guess that's it. So those are my 3 top choices for music that you can use for your next video project. And with all that being said, make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, and also make sure to hit the bell icon if you want to receive a notification whenever I'm uploading something new. So thank you for joining, thank you for watching, see you in the next one, peace out.